The Spartans, we have to be very strong. We have to be very energetic because these barbarians are invading our land. So we have to make our tools very sharp so that we can kill them in the parliament. Before the Kringa will present, the barbarians have caused the damage. So this is the sharp tool which I can penetrate into the, because we are the sharp loving of democracy. You know, we have to be very, very sharp and keen tool I have ever created. So I will present in front of the parliament before the king why it is very sharp and important.